understand this Blue Thunder tractor rolling back through the pits there is for sale if somebody wants a tractor. And that would probably be a good one to own since it's sitting out there, I think, in first place right now. Now, Jackie, this tractor here, is this all a case? This isn't a Cub, is it?
It's a Cub with case sheet metal.
Oh, okay, all right. Peyton's pretty much a veteran at this, too.
Yeah.
Peyton's third generation driver. Dad and uncles pull. All their cousins. Grandpa. All right, good job, Peyton. 234.1.